Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create a cluster dendrogram in RStudio using a biological dataset stored in an Excel file. We will cover this everything for importing the Excel file into RStudio, the performing hierarchical clustering and generating a publications quality dendrogram. So what is the hierarchical clustering? The hierarchical clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique that groups similar samples together based on their characteristics. Unlike methods where we defined the number of groups beforehand, hierarchical clusters builds the relationship step by step. The final result is displayed as a tree-like diagram called a dendrogram. The hierarchical cluster is widely used in ecological, microbiology and life science, environmental science, genetics, bioinformatics and biostatistics. And understanding the biological dataset. The dataset is stored in the Excel file. In our dataset containing 20 biological samples and 10 species abundance variations. The each row present the one biological samples and the each column represent the abundance of the one species, the species A, species B and the species J. This type of the data set is commonly collected during the biodiversity survey, ecological studies and microbial community analysis. The first column contains the sample name while the remaining column containing the numerical abundance value. Now creating for the hierarchical cluster diagram in RStudio. The first for importing in the our dataset file in the store for the Excel file. So the enter the command in the console sections. So the bio underscore data operation assignment, the read underscore Excel. Choose the file, the before for the active the library for the readxl. So active the library, okay. Next to the command, open the our store the data file column, then selected, then open. So import our data set. So now the view for our data set, head biodata. So this is our data set. So view for our the data, view biodata. So view for our the data. So the species name 20 species and the sample for the 1 to 20 and the species for the A to J. So now next the command for the set sample name as a row. So the command for bio underscore df operation assignment as dot data frame biodata and the row name, bio df, and operation assignment bio df dollar symbol and sample, then click enter. So bio df dollar symbol sample operation assignment null. Okay, now next for the standardize our data set. So the command for the options, the bio scaled operation assignment scale bio df. Okay, the next for the calculate the distance matrix in the our the data set. So enter the commands for the distance matrix underscore matrix operation assignment this, shift enter, and the bio scale comma shift enter method irrigations. Then click enter. Then the next for the creating the hierarchical clusters. So HC operation assignment hierarchical cluster shift enter, and the distance matrix comma shift enter method double oppositor complete. Then enter. So the one of the error, use small c and enter. The mistake for the capital C I used. So the next for the diagram, the plot. So enter the command plot, shift enter HC comma shift enter main double oppositor cluster dendrogram comma shift enter xlab double oppositor, then the comma, now filling the column, and sub same the double oppositor, the no enter the column, shift enter, and ylab double oppositor height comma the shift enter and hang -1. comma the shift enter, box 1, then enter. Okay, now the created for the cluster diagram, and click the zoom options, view the cluster diagram. Now the separated for the group creating the color box, that is for the optional. Draw a cluster color box, use for this command. Select, shift enter, hc, comma the shift enter, k is equal to 4, comma the shift enter, and the border C, open the bracket, double oppositor, the red, and the comma, and the double oppositor, blue, and the comma, double oppositor, and the green, comma, double oppositor, and the purple. Then click enter. Now view for this cluster dendrogram, the cover for the separate the group for the color, the red, blue, green, and the purple color, and the full cluster diagram interpretation and full script I will upload for the our website. The link mentioned to this video description box. Any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.